Dang, it's chilly today. It is 32 degrees, 7:16 on a beautiful Wednesday. We are headed to the shop to find out what we can get ourselves into today. Hope y'all stay along for the ride. Alright, so you're gonna take the plug to your igniter. You know where your plug is?
This plug?
Yep. You're gonna unplug it. And you're gonna put
each one of those.
You're gonna put your leads on this plug.
So do I check like I'm checking microfarads?
No, you're gonna be checking voltage for 24 volts.
Alright, how do I?
Or sorry, 120. 24. So put it on voltage on VAC. Okay. And then you're gonna put one lead in there and one lead in there.
Doesn't matter which side?
Put it on this plug, on the plug from your board. You're checking power from your board.
Does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter, as long as it's in there. And then you're gonna hit your switch.
This determines if it's bored?
Yep.
What the nigga that hit?
110 volts. Yep.
Good.
So bad igniter. So you get your voltage, so now that means your igniter's not powering on, so.
Igniter.
Igniter. Well, guys, it is 3:36, still about 49 degrees outside, and today was a complete bust. Basically, what had happened was we got our first call done, bad igniter on a 98 furnace, which is the call that I was able to record. Then our second call at another apartment complex got pushed back to 2. They forgot to turn on the gas on that one, so no, no advanced diagnosing or anything like that. It was just gas was off. Third call was at a farmhouse. It was a hail furnace from like 89. Basically a cracked heat exchanger. Flames were bouncing like crazy, hitting the rollout switch, causing it to shut off. And then our fourth call, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, our fourth call was at a strip club. And we needed a 40 foot plus ladder. Like, we needed at least a man lift to get up on the roof to check out, 6 rooftop units that they were having issues with no heating. So when we got there, she took us to the room with all the thermostats. There was 6 of them. One of them was blank. The other ones were about 2-degree difference. So we know possibly those were running. And then one more of them, the other one was, I believe, was reading 65 and was set to 72. So got there, asked her, hey, do you notice any heat problems? Is one side hotter than the other side? And she knew nothing. So basically ran around the building, see where we could put our ladder up, and we couldn't put it anywhere. So that call got canceled. So today was, at least we helped a couple people. We diagnosed a bad heat exchanger and we fixed the igniter. But it is, almost 4 o'clock. We're heading back to the house and spend time with family, and I guess we'll wake up and do it all again tomorrow.